Hello, my name is Dara Brown, C number 15396706, and this is my submission for the second half of the software engineering assignment, which is the implementation of the web app, which I designed earlier. So if we just look at my first submission, so my idea was a web app called Diet Buddy, which kind of calculates your BMI and gives you meal plans and exercise plans and shows your BMI status, etc. So it was a simple enough idea. So I'll just, I guess, talk you through the web app now. So I have an example, my SQL server running, which is where I made my test database. As you can see from the database development perspective over here, I have test and the user, which has its different columns. So there's the SQL code I used for that, so it's got different, a few different examples that I can use. So, and I use it obviously on the MySQL database that I had set up. So if I just jump into it, so I have db on pass as an example. Oh, sure, I'll do it wrong first. So yeah, there's the incorrect page. So I guess we'll get it right. Welcome to Diet Buddy, what would you like to do? So you can view your profile, obviously. Excuse me. It gives you a few details about your profile, and then you can calculate your BMI. It's a different page, which is kind of the page I decided to implement, because the other two pages were kind of already a part of the labs. But I said, don't reinvent the wheel. And these were all a part of my design, so I thought I'd pop them in anyway. So the login, the viewing of the profile, and then I did the calculation of the BMI. So yeah, I guess I'll jump into a bit of the code. So obviously I set up the database on the exam server and ran it in my web app. I used the model view controller method for my implementation because it was kind of, as the labs, and I found it a lot easier to follow that than do the was it the front controller method? I can't remember. But yeah, sorry, this has the front controller in it. So yeah, I've got a packaging structure with different layers. I guess I'll jump into the DAO stuff, my user DAO. Now this is for the login, so I could not for the life of me get it working for the BMI side. So my SQL query, I was trying this for a lot of hours and I kind of just gave up when I was under time pressure. So I thought I'd show you what I have up to anyway. So obviously, what's it under? The list uses command.java, which is where all the BMI stuff is in theory should connect to the user DAO through the command.java and run the query and then update the database with the new BMI query calculated from their height and weight. But I just couldn't get it working in the end. So there's the this is just what's used to set up the values for the table, the user table in the database. And then so just so I'd have something to show, I guess, or at least what my idea was. So first showing this page, I just popped in some JavaScript in the HTML that just got the weight and height and calculated it. So that was the goal. But obviously I didn't fully get it working in time. So yeah, that's kind of what I got up to, and obviously I'll insert the code too if you want to have a look at that. But yeah, that's my implementation for the second half of the assignment.